Korean chicken and waffle casserole. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, taking our bowl, adding in 8 large eggs. Next, adding in 1.5 cups of half and half. 1 bunch of thinly sliced green onions. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and spicy gochujang sauce. Give this a nice gentle whisk just like so. Now we're going to be heating up our Belgian waffles and frozen chicken at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes, quartering this and halving this. From here we're going to be taking our wonderful casserole dish, spraying this with butter, putting in our wonderful bacon that we cooked, chicken and waffles. Pour the sauce right on top, let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, just like so. Baking this at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Halfway through, we're going to be covering this just like so. And now into our sauce, we're going to be taking maple syrup, spicy gochujang sauce, give this a nice mix, and then adding this right on top once everything is ready. Serving this with Cuvée François Cremant de Limon Blanc. Pale yellow in color with delicate blend of white flowers, citrus, and hints of honey on the nose. Refreshing finish combining of ripe citrus and creamy taste. And there we have it, an amazing Korean chicken and waffle casserole. As always, please do like, subscribe for all future recipes, and I hope you have a great day now, you hear? Bye-bye!